Here are the steps on logging in and accessing your midyear assessment in our LMS or Learning Management System site. Before logging in, please make sure that you already activated your Microsoft accounts in theoffice.com. You will need your PC or laptop, your phones or tablets, and internet connection to access the site. Step number 1. Open your browser or your Google Chrome, and on the search bar, type lms.deped.gov.ph and press enter. Step number 2. On the upper part of the page, click or tap NCR, choose NCR2, and select Quezon City. Then, you will be transferred to the login page of LMS. To log in your account, click or tap DepEd Commons Students. You will now be transferred to a new site which is commons.deped.gov.ph. Since you will use our Microsoft accounts which are given by our ICT coordinators beforehand, click or tap Continue with Microsoft. A command box will appear. Just choose the region which is NCR2, then click Sign In. Step number 5. Type your Microsoft address. Your email address can be in these following formats. The first format can be your 12 digits LRN at ncr2.deped.gov.ph or your 12 digits LRN at ncrdeped2.onmicrosoft.com. Click Next and type your password. And click Sign In. A command box will appear. Just click or tap Yes and you will be transferred to your LMS profile. In some cases like new accounts, you are required to give more information. Just click Next, select your account, and click Cancel. Then, click Accept and Authorize. In your LMS profile, you have to fill in some missing details. You have to select your country, which is the Philippines, your city or town where you belong. For example, you are living in Quezon City. And on the bottom part, in school category, type your school name, which is Ernesto Rondon High School. You also need to select the school's division office, which is SDO Quezon City. You can also add a display photo in your profile. Just tap this icon and select Upload a File. Select Choose File and select a photo that you want to use. Make sure that you are using your own photo and a decent one. You can see your photo in this box. On the bottom part of the page, click Update Profile. And that's it. You successfully updated your LMS profile. After logging in and updating your profile, go to Dashboard and your exam will appear. Make sure that you already answered the profile questions because your exam proper will not open unless you are finished answering the profile questions. For the grade 12 learners, just click grade 12 NCR Midyear Assessment and grade 10 NCR Midyear Assessment for the grade 10 learners to proceed with your exam. The exam has two parts, Part A and Part B. This test will open from 12:01 a.m. of March 21 to 11:59 p.m. of March 25. But for demonstration purposes, I will show a dummy exam to demonstrate how to answer it. Take note that there is time limit for each part of the exam. To begin, click Attempt Quiz Now and Start Attempt. On the right part of the screen, you can see the total number of questions. In this part, just simply click or tap the circle of your answer and click Next Page until you are finished answering all the questions. These are possible problems that you may encounter during your exam. If you accidentally close the exam or your internet connection disconnects, just do the steps on logging in and proceed to the dashboard. Do the previous steps on opening the exam and you will see a button that says Continue the last attempt. After answering all the questions, just click Finish Attempt. A black shade on the right side of each box per question signifies that you already answered the question. If you see a box without a shade, that means you did not answer or skip that question. In that case, you can go back and answer it by just clicking Return to Attempt. Click the box without a shade and answer it. After answering all skipped questions, click the last number and look for Finish Attempt. You are given only one chance to take the quiz. You should be conscious of your time limit since the exam will automatically close as soon as the time has expired. In case you have a problem in your internet connectivity, as long as the time has not yet expired, you can always relog in. You can also submit the exam even if you still have time left. Just click Submit and finish. You can see your score after submitting the test. There is a Back to the Course button that, if clicked, will lead you to the back menu of the Midyear assessment. You have the option to take other part B of the assessment, or you may log out if you want to take the other part next time. Good luck, participants!